I will search it. Not sure if you have heard of. I do always like a sentimental, romantic song like that. Just read the lyrics, lol. Okay, okay. I'll try. It's like, you know me, it's like when I like feel or like the music and there is something like like plays, you know, plays someone or things or even everything is like when I like it. Like example, clothes is like I like this one. I always wear like that. I always when it's your favorite, like you are feel comfortable, you feel like it suit on you, good on you like that. So like I wanna wear this one over and over again, something like that. Then when there is a place like I feel comfortable this place or these things or like this like that, then I'll stay in there. I don't like too much moving like that or changing from something like that. It's like example, my phone is like how many years within my hands, and there's so many phone out there that it's always changing the unit, the brand, and come out right. Then I don't care. I have already my phone, and it's like I always like sentiment. There's when there is a sentimental value, you know. So it's very hard to change like that. So it's same with music that like when I love it, it's like always and forever. I will gonna play it over and over again. I will gonna listen it over and over again, something like that. So that's how boring am I. Yes, you like it when you're comfortable with something. Yeah, yeah. So, but also good to try or to listen some. So for you, so when you have friends or when you have like yeah something like this sharing, and then you can share some because you have knowledge, because you also try or you also like discover some things like that. Arilima, wait a moment, okay? I'm going to visit. I will watch your new latest. So I'm pursuing this one, guys. Um, oh, in Brazil, raining. In Brazil, it's not snowing. It's raining in there. Arilima, what happened? I don't have any idea how is the weather in there. My time is so occupied, you know. It's just when I have time talking with friends and my parents, my daughter, I'm gonna even visit some friend in YouTube. Don't take it a thumbs up. Not boring. Not boring. Good morning. Why you didn't say good morning back to me, ah? Huh? You eat congee today, okay? Yes, congee with the grandma meatballs. We don't have bread anymore. Bye-bye. Happy Friday, guys. In your day, take care, be safe, and be healthy, everybody. I have to go now. Take care. Thank you.